Today we're going to be talking about how to play the French horn. So the first thing we want to do is take our French horn and set it down so that the latches flip up as you open them. This will make the case open correctly. We open it and we take our French horn, grab that, and also grab the mouthpiece while you're at it. Take the small mouthpiece end and stick it inside the French horn, and we're done putting it together. Now with our left hand, we want to take our pinky, stick it in the pinky ring. Our thumb should go in the thumb ring right there, and our 3 fingers will go on those 3 buttons. For now, we'll take our right hand and grab at the bottom of the bell. Eventually we'll want to move that inside the bell, but for now this is how we're going to hold it. To make a sound on the French horn, we want to put our lips together in an M shape, like this. As we play, we put our instrument up to our lips and then simply blow through that M shape. Should sound like this. You may get a little bit different of a pitch, but as long as you're making a sound that sounds similar to that, then you're doing it right. As you play the French horn, eventually you may get a little bit of a popping sound. What that means is that some water has gotten stuck inside of your instrument somewhere. There's a few places it can get stuck in a French horn. So what we need to do is we look at the instrument like this. There's a slide, probably somewhere around here, different instruments are different shapes, that we want to pull out, and then take the mouthpiece out as well, and simply turn the instrument so that any water can fall out of the instrument. You may want to do this over a sink or a large trash can so that you don't get it all over your floor at home. If you put it back together after that and you still get a popping sound, then what you may need to do is find where that water is hiding. Once again, take the mouthpiece out and turn the instrument following the small end of the instrument. Turn it slowly so that the water can move inside. You may need to turn it over several times, 3 or 4 times, and eventually water will probably come out this end of the instrument and trickle out into your sink or trash can. If you still can't find the water, it may be stuck inside one of the 3 valve slides. So you need to push down the button and pull out that same slide. So the first button goes to the first slide. You pull it out gently, dump it out. If water came out, that's probably all you need to find. Keep holding the button down, gently put it back in. We want to do one of them at a time, that way we don't get them in the wrong places. After you finish practicing, it's time to put the instrument back away. So first put the mouthpiece back in the case, then place the instrument with the rotors, the buttons, facing up. In the case, should only go one direction. Close the case, buckling all of the latches, and set it aside in a safe place. We always want to put our French horn back in the case after we're finished with it. That way no books or something can fall on top of it, and that way no siblings or parents can accidentally damage it. So put it away in a safe place, and then you're ready for your next practice session.